Critter Camp, and welcome back to our Critter Camp YouTube channel. So this is just a quick little tutorial on how to use ClassDojo. So we have all these characters right here, which are you guys, and when you guys go into your character, you'll just find your name below. So I have Aiden, Eli, Ian, Kian, Regan, and Taven. And basically, whoever you are and whoever's using this device, you will click on your character. So I'm just going to use Aiden because he's the first one right there. Right here it says your name at the top and then your character. You can hit that pencil button and you can customize your character. Anything that has that kind of purpley plus sign on it means you can't get it. But the rest of the stuff that doesn't, you guys can use. Down here it says Critter Camp AAC. So you can go through here and see all the points. So if you hit that back arrow, this is from yesterday, Wednesday, January 6th, and I haven't done anything today, but it'll show the time I gave you the points, who got you those points, and also what the points were. So that's also pretty cool. Then there's a activity button. You guys don't have to do this, but I can attach pictures. Aiden, your grades for Critter Camp. That's Taven. It just says your Critter Camp grades are now 100. So I might do that sometimes, I might not. These are just like little examples because I was experimenting with stuff. But if I do add like any assignments on here, it'll just be right there in the to-do list. And then there's a home report, which we will not be using. So that's basically the overall, I guess, tutorial on how to use this. And make sure you just don't hit that blue button that says this is not my class.